In this tutorial, you will learn how to design and print a variety of desktop publishing projects. Our starting point is the template gallery. It opens up automatically when you run the program. To see it again, just choose File, New from the menu. The template gallery collects a large number of pre-designed templates which you can use as a sample: brochures, flyers, menus, newsletters, business cards, various labels, and more. There's also a category called My Templates for any projects you choose to save as a template. And of course, should you choose to create a document from scratch, there are blank templates in each category. Let's pick out a brochure and click Choose to get right to work. In the inspector at the right part of the program's window, you can set the properties of the document. You can specify the page size manually, choose a predefined size from the list, and set orientation to portrait or landscape. Margins normally define the space between the content and the paper sheet edge and can be set individually for each of the sides. Simulate paper color changes the color of the page to imitate colored paper. Note that this color will not be printed. If you need to actually print a colored background, add a rectangle of that color on the background layer. Documents are made up of layers with text and images and can be composed of multiple pages. As you can see, our brochure is a 2-page document. As of now, we only see the first, but we can switch between pages using the Pages panel brought up at the top of the canvas. The panel shows previews of the pages and lets you add, remove, and rearrange pages, as well as perform other actions. To add or delete a page, use the plus and minus buttons on the Pages panel. To change the order of the pages, drag and drop them to the desired position. To select more than one page, hold down the Shift or Command keys while clicking. The drop-down menu lets you select all odd or even pages, which is convenient when working with books or booklets. The Master Pages feature lets you effectively manage your document's content, which appears on multiple pages. For instance, page numbers or headers. You can use the drop-down menu to work with Master Pages. For more detail, you can read the program's help. You can rotate the view in Swift Publisher for more convenient editing. To do this, right-click somewhere on the canvas and choose one of the rotation commands from the menu. Pages that have been rotated have a special icon in the Pages panel to the right of the Pages preview. If you choose Clear Rotation, the view will return to its original state. Layers make designing complex documents easier. Swift Publisher allows for an unlimited number of layers which can be controlled from the Layers tab in the inspector. By default, each new document has 2 layers, the background and the foreground. For example, you may place your graphics on the background and text on the foreground. Of course, you can add more layers if needed. You can show or hide layers, or make them non-printable. Once you're through with designing, click the Print button. Make sure that the paper size corresponds to the page size of your document. The Quantity field replaces the standard Copies field. To print 2 copies of your design, type 2 in the Quantity field. Then click Print to print your document. Also, Swift Publisher makes it easy to print catalogs and booklets, where 2 pages are printed on one sheet of paper and then folded. Let's choose one of the catalog templates from the template gallery to see how it works. Note that the page size is half letter. That is, you can fit 2 pages on a single US letter sheet. In the Print dialog, tick the Format as Booklet option. As you can see, the program places the pages in the correct order so that when you fold the printout, you get a neat small booklet.